The Art and Design Foundation program at George Brown is a one-year certificate designed to give you a strong foundation in visual arts and design. You'll explore drawing, color, composition, and design principles while experimenting with a range of media and techniques. The program emphasizes creativity, problem solving, and the development of a personal artistic voice, preparing you for future study in specialized art and design programs.
Before coming to George Brown, I loved art, but I didn't have a clear path forward. This program gave me the tools to develop my skills and think critically about my work. I learned how to experiment, take creative risks, and present my ideas visually. It's helped me gain the confidence to pursue my goals in the art and design field and prepared me for the next step in my education.
The Art and Design Foundation program is your starting point to explore, grow, and define your creative future. Join us and take the first step toward a career in art and design.